Hello, Accounting 201 class. This is Professor Hassey. Every week we will have a video to help any of you who are having difficulties or wanting to learn more about using spreadsheets, concentrating on the Excel spreadsheet. Now, if some of you do have Mac computers and Mac numbers, they're very similar in the format. And also you can use a Mac numbers spreadsheet and convert it to Excel as well. So every week I'll be having some videos helping you with ways of using a spreadsheet. So here's this week's video.
Will teach you how to add numeric amounts in Excel. The worksheet contains accounts that have been categorized as assets, liabilities, and stockholders' equity. There are two methods of adding numeric amounts in Excel. The first approach allows you to add amounts in specific cells using the plus sign mathematical symbol in a formula. Select cell B8. Type the equals sign in this cell, which informs Excel that you will be entering a formula. All formulas in Excel begin with the equals sign. Immediately select cell B4 and then type the plus sign. Immediately select cell B5 and type the plus sign. Immediately select cell B6 followed by the plus sign. Immediately select cell B7 and then press the Enter key. The amount of total assets will appear in cell B8. Place your mouse pointer in cell B8. Examine the formula bar, which is located just above the work area of the worksheet. It displays data and formulas for any active cell in which you have selected. You should see the formula you entered displayed in the formula bar as equals B4 plus B5 plus B6 plus B7. Place your mouse pointer in cell E8 and add the amounts in cells E4 and E5 using the same approach. Your formula in cell E8 will be displayed in the formula bar as equals E4 plus E5. In cell H8, add the two amounts in column H. The sum function is a quicker approach to add several numeric amounts. Select cell B8 and press the Delete key to remove the contents of this cell. Select the Home menu ribbon. Select the Sum function icon from the Editing tab found in the far right side of the Home menu ribbon. Depending on your Excel settings, the icon may be labeled as AutoSum. A formula will display in cell B8 as equals sum B4 colon B7. You should also see a dotted line around cells B4 through B7. Quite often, Excel will anticipate which numeric amounts that you want to add by pre-selecting those cells for you. Press Enter to accept this formula. When Excel is unsure which cells or how many cells you want to add, it may display a portion of those cells in the sum function upon selecting the sum function icon. In this case, you must immediately select the cells you want to add with your mouse pointer and then press the Enter key. The mathematical formula, which adds individual cells, and the sum function may be used to add rows, columns, or selected cells around the worksheet.